Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a weekly recap. Last week trades taken. Before last week, there were a couple of weeks where I didn't trade at all because of the hurricanes keep coming in and a lot of disturbance and internet connections and all of that. So this last week we started a little bit, and it's not too many trades this week either, but something. I think like 7, 8 trades. So let's get going, and hopefully next week will be like full trading week after a few weeks, right? So yeah, so this is one other trade on the 14th. This is pound yen. I started then. So pound yen from 20-minute chart. This is the entry here by the book. My setup here. This yellow mark shows my entry here. Buy order SL move to break even plus. This is a 75 pip plus trade here. And on the 14 USD yen as well. This is the entry right there, and it is for 90 pip. And on the 15th, this is a pound Aussie taken from here. This was the entry, this was the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry. There's a lot of entries here. This is the entry. But from here, my EA took the entry, expert advisor, automated robot. Right? So this is for 100 pip. And this is USD yen again, going from here on the 17th, and only for 65 pip. And this one is pound yen again from here. EA took the trade, and once I do the analysis, I place this robot on the chart, and whenever the setup is ready, my EA robot it opens the trade automatically and place SL 25 pip hard SL, and this is wrong here. This is I forgot to change. This is 20-minute chart, entry chart. I never make entry from a 40-minute chart. Even if I do, I don't show. Sometimes I do, yeah, but I do not show that. The system that I teach is from 20-minute chart and entry from 7-minute chart. So this is gold going from here from 26.94 to 27.18. This is just the one trade that I took. Like I said, that I was, for a couple of weeks, very disturbing. But let me show you my gold chart with my Elliott wave analysis. See this. This was my Elliott wave analysis. There's 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it's going to go. So this was 4 and this was 5, right? Look how it turned out to be. The chart, when I made this chart, it was 26.20, and we closed last week at 27.16. Exactly, it made the turn from where I said it will, and it went all the way to right there, 27.16. We closed the week last week. So this is the power of the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, all of that. I teach that in my one-on-one course. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the gold trade, and then another one. This is the Bitcoin here on the same day, 18. This is beautiful entry here, went up, and then I predicted that Bitcoin is going to go up as well, and it did. So these are a few trades, and let me see if I can quickly show you what Bitcoin did, how my chart was, and how it did. Let me see. I was just playing around with some stock charts. I was actually doing some Elliott wave analysis for someone, as somebody asked me. This is gold. So Bitcoin chart that I had made was this on the 16th September, but where's the latest one? This is 17th October, 6th October. Okay, so this is the one. So you see, this is the one that I made on 17th October, that this is what probably going to happen. And we might be able to break this and then go to the upside. So we did, a little bit, small move, but I'm tracking this all the way from here. When it was here, I said we're going to drop for wave 4. We did. And then I said we're going to be going for wave 5 to the upside right from here. And it went up, down, and then now nicely going to the upside. We are at this tier, and let's see what happens. Right, so this is how it is. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn all this Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all of that mumbo jumbo, then you can go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and you can sign up here. A lot of things here, one-on-one coaching, and lifetime membership, all of that, the system, subscription, monthly, weekly, whatever. Too many things here for you to choose from, signal service, all of that. So also I have this Telegram. So whoever signs up and be a part of this Telegram where I put the heads up about this upcoming setups, right? Like for example, EJ short, and then what happened, and then you see I put a long for GJ. Look for GJ long, and this is the long that it came up, and I took it, and then I showed here, right? So for same way, I had this one. You see that on Thursday or Friday, I taken along in GJ, and yeah, this is the trade for 80 pips. So this is a big help, Telegram, right, for subscribers. So can take advantage of that. So this is it. That's I want to share with you guys. And hopefully next week will be more active. And I will have, like I usually, I take like, 25, 30, 35, 40, even 40 trades a week, right? So let's see how the next week is going to be. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. And you can take advantage of these setups that most of the time I give out in my videos. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.